Hello, my name's Amanda and I work for Nobis Restaurant Furniture. I'd like to introduce you to a little insight for laminate tabletops. So I have some in the office here today. My favourite, the flamingo pink. So if you'd like to join me for 5 minutes, I'll start off by talking to you about the different options. Now you can get two thicknesses in the laminate tabletop, a 25mm, which is this one here, or bespoke size, which are made to order, that's your 25. If you like a bit more of a thick one there, it's 40mm. So that's personal choice, but the 40mm does have a lead time of about 3 to 4 weeks. Also, I wanted to talk to you about is that options are endless. We do stone effect colours, block colour and wood colour finishes in the laminates. We do bespoke ABS edgings. This one is a metallic gold effect here with the pink, which looks great. It's all made to order, those bespoke ones, but they can you can really play about with those and create something to suit your interior. Now, this one is a new product. It's a high gloss laminate. It has all the options of these as well. You can get them made to order, but this one we do have stock sizes, which is really convenient. Now, going back to this one, another high gloss one. Again, we have these in stock size in square and round and rectangle, which is great if you're in a hurry. You can contact our sales office if you want a bespoke quotation for a bespoke size. Just contact the sales team. We're happy to send out samples also, because we have a massive coloured range here. We're always here to help. The benefits of laminates are very durable products. It's got an MDF core and the heat resistant up to 180 Celsius. Also scratch resistant, heat resistant, last years, and they look fabulous. Thanks for watching.